This one is so loaded that there's really no room for a bird in it. So let's rake this out. That's pretty good size. Are you seeing that? And look at this moss. That's one neat thing that I have learned about bluebirds is they will make a very artistic nest when they get about the business of nest making. I love looking at this tree because if you look at the left, there's Virginia creeper, and then if you look down, right down there is trumpet vine, and then if you look right in the middle right there, leaves of three, let them be, that's what poison what? Poison ivy. So that's a beautiful example of a Mississippi oak that is just loaded with native vines. Oh my goodness, that looks like a mega ant on my viewfinder. Okay, that's not really that large, but it's pretty big still. It's about a ½ an inch long. That's cool. This 2-foot Mississippi anthill. I'm gonna rake that box out real fast. Give me just a second. This one's loaded. And what happens is that if the boxes are loaded, then birds will not. Oh, there's a frog in here. I don't think I've ever seen a frog in a bluebird nest, but there is certainly one right there, and happy at it. But this is not a frog house, this is a bluebird house, so Mr. or Miss Frog, you're going to have to find a different habitat here shortly.